Welcome to the world of Dopamine Decor, a design trend that's all about boosting your mood and well-being through interior choices. This style focuses on creating vibrant, stimulating environments using colors, textures, and patterns that evoke joy and energy. Let's explore the key elements of this trend. First up, bold colors. Bright and vivid hues like yellow, red, and blue can stimulate your senses and uplift your mood. Next, we have dynamic patterns. Geometric shapes, abstract art, and lively patterns add visual interest and excitement to your space. Don't forget about natural elements. Incorporating plants, natural light, and outdoor views can boost dopamine and create a sense of calm and connection to nature. Personal touches are crucial too. Displaying artwork, photos, and sentimental items can increase feelings of happiness and comfort. Textures play a big role as well. Using a variety of materials like velvet, silk, and wood can engage your senses and create a rich, tactile experience. Finally, focus on creating functional and comfortable spaces. Designing areas that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical can reduce stress and enhance satisfaction. Remember, the goal of Dopamine Decor is to create environments that are visually stimulating, comfortable, and personalized, promoting a positive emotional response. So go ahead, give your space a dopamine boost.